Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs with popular features and a good deal. Features also include premium sound system, rear view camera, high beam assist, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, steel wheels, wheel covers, FWD, mirror memory, security system, trip computer. Come take a test drive today.